Hello guys, so welcome to Kayo tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost completed with the modeling part of this particular uh, kitchen over here. So let's start with the texturing part. So before we start with the texturing part, let's go into render setup, and let's activate this Vray over here and click OK. So let's start with the ground over here, that's a base. Let's go into material. If you want to unwrap anything, you can easily unwrap it. Let's take a Vray material, go into diffuse, bitmap, and let's go into this kitchen, and let's just assign a texture for the floor over here, and simultaneously we'll just give a bit of reflection to it. We can go into this and work with a bit of tiling part over here and click OK. So once you're done with this, now let's select this part over here, select the polygons. So let's just select all these polygons over here, and let's go into material. We can just rename it as floor. Again, take one more Vray material over here, and let's go into diffuse, bitmap, and let's just assign this over here. Go into this. You can easily assign this texture over here in the part of your this design. So after that, convert to editable poly, select this, let's select this, go into this, again go into material, let's take again a Vray material, and window glass, we can rename it as window glass. Go into this, refract, give full refraction, give a bit of reflection. IOR we can keep it to 1.55 and slightly assign this. Invert it. Let's go into this material over here. We'll just assign a basic color to it. So let's go into diffuse and just pick a color, and let's just assign that color to it. So once you are done with this, same thing will go over here also. Select the polygons, go into material, give a window and inverse it, and let's just assign this color over here. So once you're done, you can easily assign it in your own way. Now for this cabinet, what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll go into Photoshop, I'll just open an image, let's just open an image, so let's just got this. Alright, and simultaneously I'll open one more image over here. So let's just take this color over here, assign on top of it, and let's use multiply over here. We can use multiply over here. After that, once you have assigned this, so if you want in the same way, you can go with that also. So you can just make it a bit more darker color. So if you make it more towards multiply and reduce this opacity over here, and let's just save it, file, and let's first crop this, file, save as, so save it, and let's go into this. Let's take a Vray material. Now on what you want to assign this texture, first select that part. So we can just select this. So we don't need this because this is in the form of a glass right now. So let's just invert it and bitmap, just assign this cabinet texture over here in this one. Much better. I think looks good over here. So you can go into this and you can give a bit of reflection to it. So if you want to assign some of the reflections over here, that can be easily assigned over here. So first select this for this. So we have a glass over here. We just have a glass over here. So for this also, we'll be just assigning a glass, inverse it. After inversing this all, exclude this, go into material, and let's just assign this for your cabinet. So we can rename it as cabinet texture, and UVW map, set it as a box. So definitely when we are putting lights, it will look better over here. Same thing will go over here also. So select this, select this all, go into material, assign this UVW map, box, convert to poly, select the polygons, inverse it, and what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be assigning a bit of a marble over here. So let's go into this bitmap and let's assign this marble texture, give a bit of reflectivity, name it as marble over here, and UVW map, set it. That's it. So guys, if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section over here. So let's just look at it. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.